another AFG family video.
So guys, today we're going to be doing the spicy noodle challenge.
Yay!
So guys, wish us the best of luck and wish the best of luck to my dad because he absolutely hates chili.
I really hate this shit. I really don't like chili.
And as you guys could see, Emiyam's noodles isn't spicy because he's way too young.
And he has curry sauce as well.
Yeah, it has curry flavor.
Okay. Muhammad, what are you gonna say about the milking thing?
Oh yeah, as you guys can see, we even put milk and water on the table, but guys, actually the milk helps more than the water.
The milk helps more than the water, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum guys, I want to speak it in Pashto as well. Granu malgaru lakatsanga chtas paskari. Mugat chilin duduk challenge larunan. Au tayar mugu bawr ke achawali di. Da yau paket chili di. Sauce di da mug paket achawu. Che archa zar khlas kra amaga gatun ke dai. او څنګه چې تاسو ګورئ محمد تاسو ته شیدې اوبه هم راوړې دي اوبه خو هر څوک سکي چیلي و چې څوک چیلي وخوري خو شیدې بیا ډېر کومک کوي چې چا ژبه د چیلي اوس راولګېږي او څنګه چې تاسو ګورئ موږ به دا let's start boys. So as you guys can see we already put water and the noodles, but we will put the sauces. I was near to put some meat sauce in my one. Okay. As you guys can see, this is, you see, it's chili. Guys, don't cheat, you have to put all, yeah? So you guys can see, I will help Amir. Guys, you help yourself.
So we actually have to put all of it.
Sajad, are you sure this is not chili, something like that? No, that's...
No.
Okay, Amir, this is for you, Amir. Okay? This is your... Okay? I help you, okay? But you have to finish it before everyone. Okay? It's hot a bit. Yeah. Okay guys, as you guys can see, we opened it. We're gonna just mix it up. Guys, I really don't like, even I don't like the smell. Trust me, I don't like chili so much. Okay?
Ooh.
But you know that we can do anything for friends, you know?
Yep, anything for the friends.
Anything for the friends. Okay, that's hot a bit.
Ooh. Guys, this actually looks so hot already.
Look at that, guys. Look. We're gonna eat it. Shall we start?
I don't think so.
Let me just make it a bit cold, guys. It's very hot as well, you see? As you can see the steam of it, you know?
Mix.
So just when you're ready, let me know, please, yeah?
Okay.
Guys, but we still need your opinion about it.
Yep.
Whoever did it, how it was.
Yeah, if you have tried spicy noodles, make sure you guys leave a comment down below.
Yep. Shall we start?
Yep. I'm ready.
Guys, 1, 2, 3, Bismillah.
Oh my
I don't want to do this.
Oh my god, so hot, bro.
Well, that's hot.
Man. Hey!
Guys, it's not that spicy, but it's actually really hot. For me, it's not that spicy.
It's hot.
It's hot, baby. It's hot.
I help you, Baba. I help you, Baba.
Mine's actually really hot as well. Daddy, how's it going with the spice?
Oh my god.
I'm
You want
not
blowing
going
it
to
from
be
me?
able to feel my lips after this.
It's actually not bad, guys.
Ah, Baba.
It's just a bit hot. And...
It's not hot, eat. I told you it's not hot.
What are you doing back there? Huh? I'm just mixing until it gets cold.
My hair. It's too chilly, man. Oh my god, my brain start itching. Who's the
that is
fastest?
Me.
Definitely not me.
Definitely not me because I'm waiting
alright?
until the hot goes. Hot goes.
You alright?
Ooh, it's actually so hot.
I'm cheating a bit because I'm holding my mouth. Then I'm trying it again. Guys, look, look, look. It's not easy.
Ooh.
Be then.
Mm-hmm.
I'm faster.
Oh no, no.
You're faster because your one is not chili. Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Allah help.
It's not going too bad, guys.
Your nose is already running.
Yeah, but there's. I'm just doing this until the hotness goes.
Who finish?
Not me, I'm nowhere near them.
Definitely no one.
Amir gonna finish first.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Very hot.
Try it.
This is honestly
Now
so
we're
hot.
not hot.
So spicy.
You're lucky, Amir. Can we change it? Amir,
Guys, I'm actually gonna
Can you change it with me?
burst soon. It's so hot and spicy.
Amir want to change it
my
with me, you will.
God.
No, Amir, it's not easy this one, Papa, please. No.
Oh my goodness. I absolutely can't do this. No way.
Guys, it's so spicy.
Daddy, can I have water, please?
Yeah.
Too spicy.
Yes.
Guys, I'm actually gonna still keep on
I
going,
water.
even though it's spicy.
I have water.
You want water as well? Keep it with you dear, Habibi, yeah?
So spicy.
Does anyone want water?
No, thank you. Amir want. Amir go.
So spicy, guys.
Oh my goodness, I don't
What
want to
about
carry
it?
on. I'll carry on.
This challenge is not easy challenge.
Actually, it's really not easy at all.
I'm eating.
That can have milk, please, sir. Oh my god, so spicy.
No, I cannot do it. That's enough for me.
Oh my god,
It's so spicy.
You want water,
so
Muhammad?
spicy. No milk. Sorry.
Guys, you see, me and Sajjad tried the water, but Muhammad is trying milk. Why? When your tongue burns with chili, this milk really helps. If you haven't tried it yet, try it.
My
But I'm
nose-
just telling you, don't eat chili.
My nose is starting to run.
Do you need tissue?
I knew
Thank
this would
you.
happen.
Oh, guys, it actually tastes a lot better now. Guys, I recommend you guys to get milk. I don't think the water will help.
Sorry, guys. I know.
Oh, it's crazy. It's actually crazy.
No, I cannot eat anymore. That's enough. Guys, I'm done.
Daddy's done.
I'm done too.
I cannot do it anymore.
I'm done.
Trust me, I got sports
It's
balloons
not
on my
burning.
tongue.
Guys, I'm still going no matter what. I'm still
Yeah.
going.
Oh my god, my tongue is like with proper red.
My nose is getting runny now.
I got one.
No guys, you have to finish it. In my time, I never ate chili in my life.
Probably that's why.
Who has the most? Okay, now anyway, I'm the loser. I'm not gonna eat it anymore. Let me, you guys, check you guys. No, Booth has a lot.
How much does Amir have?
Amir doesn't have.
Two.
I think Amir will win.
Yeah, definitely.
Why don't you get milk? It's better.
I don't know.
Look, I
look how
finished
much I have
almost.
left.
Yeah, a little bit late, but I cannot take little bit left. Look, little bit.
Guys, look how much is left.
I know you guys want some, isn't
It's not easy at all. Trust me, it's very chilly, very hot. How do people like chili? Next time, let me do a challenge with sweets. I will eat
Oh,
the most. I love sweets.
That's a good idea.
Halwa,
That's actually a good
chocolate.
idea.
I love it. Always I took sweets. Why? Because I eat sweet a lot. Let me just drink some more water.
Daddy, can I have more water, please?
No.
Why don't you drink milk?
Okay, let me give you.
Why don't you drink milk? It'll make it much better, trust me.
Anyway, I cannot eat more. So I don't count.
I mean,
I really don't want to quit, but it's so spicy, like so spicy.
So that's when you're done as well.
No. I'm going to fight.
Same.
Fight.
Between me,
fight
Sajjad
like this.
and me,
I'm
guys.
eating. Fight in eating. I'm really gonna finish it soon.
I'm nearly going to finish mine soon. Oh my god. I'm going to hear.
Amir is mashallah good in eating because his one doesn't have chili. He's young, that's why we didn't put chili for him. But guys, this one, as you can see, is red. That means it's top chili as well. I never tried chili that in my life.
Like your first time?
That's my first time. I have ate chili, but not like this at all. You finish it, guys? Well
Maybe.
done.
How I don't
I don't know how they like it. They're my sons, but I don't like how they like chili. I don't know.
I won.
You won?
Yeah.
Amir won.
You have a lot left.
No, Amir,
I don't like it at all.
You don't like it or you don't want
You
it?
guys can literally just quit all now and I can win.
Even my head is itching me because of the chili, guys.
Mama not itchy.
Yes, because you haven't eaten chili.
Dad, look how much I have left.
Mashallah, you finish it.
Nearly
Quick, finish it. Yalla, guys. You have to count. You cannot give too much gap. You have to finish it.
Guys, look at.
Guys, as you can see, we are almost finished, but mashallah, they are good in eating chili. They can be proper soldier, you know. Soldiers should be used to anything.
I
Chili, any kind of things, you know.
That's right.
They have to be like, you know, used to top life.
won.
So,
That's it.
you finish?
Yeah.
I mean,
I won.
oh, how did you win, Baba? You never win. You have a skill. Okay, Amir won, yeah? Guys, Amir won. Say, I won.
I won.
Say, thank you.
Thank you.
Where are you going now? Where you going, Mia?
Dad, you have to finish the sauce.
No, sauce, not sauce, no sauce. No one can finish sauce.
Coming.
But mashallah, did finish it. Well done, boys.
I'm coming.
I'm proud of you guys. You guys finished all the chili. Oh my God. Look at that. They finished the chili.
No, I'm going to itchy.
Look, guys. Mashallah.
Puppy.
Yes. Look, show Amir.
Nothing.
Show, look at Amir's one, guys. He finished it. Mashallah, Amir is the winner. Amir is, say like this. Amir is the winner. Winner.
I'm just gonna try the sauce, I don't know why.
Winner. Who is winner? Who is winner?
Me.
Okay, say Amir is winner. Me the winner. That means he is the winner. Say Amir is the winner. No, say Amir is the winner.
Dad, can I have more milk?
He said me is the winner. That means he's the.
Hold on.
What's wrong? You okay?
Yeah.
Dad, can I have more milk, please?
Milk? Yes.
I'm going to try and finish the sauce as well.
Guys, Muhammad is chubby, mashallah, because he is drinking a lot of milk as well.
It's literally tickling my throat like this.
Mashallah, they almost finish it. So let me just. Oh no, you're gonna drink it.
Oh, this guy's crazy.
Subhanallah, he finished it and he drank it. Look, look.
Nearly done, guys.
Oh my God, Muhammad, what's wrong with you? How about you, Muhammad? Sajjad, you will finish it? Okay, Sajjad, give up as well. And Amir, but I think Amir is the winner, but he is the winner in reality. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
I don't want to say it because this guy will cry that he's crying that he's the winner always, you know. So Amir, say bless you, Habibi, say
Guys, I'm nearly
Alhamdulillah.
done.
Yahkumullah, Yahdikumullah. MashaAllah, Walai, Muhammad is the top. Muhammad is, yalla, drink it. So drink this one to finish it, then we show the proper. This guy, proper Japanese guy. Look at that, well done. Yalla, clap for him, yalla, clap. Clap for him. Well done. Look at this guy. Look proper. nothing left. No sauces, no noodles. Everything gone. Even the milk gone as well. Let me see your mouth. Look. His temperature is at least 80, 90, trust me. He's more hot than boiling water. Huh? Amir is cold. Okay guys, the winner is Muhammad today.
Yay!
Oh, sorry guys. Amir is the winner. Okay, so Sajad, you can give a message.
Okay.
I
so
didn't enjoy it, guys. I didn't enjoy this chili. I don't like chili at all. So I don't know, but today we had a challenge to make you guys happy, make something funny for you guys. Do you guys enjoy it? So I hope you enjoyed it. And Sajad,
Yes.
you need your
So
message.
guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and also if you haven't already, smash the notification button.
We love you all. Bye!